Using the UDS-Video workflow plugin, you can connect a data source also to the form-based ELO workflow. The scenario can be described in 3 parts. First, the document is placed in the archive, then we will start the ELO workflow, and finally entering the customer and invoice data. You will see in the video first the configuration of the data sources, second the configuration of the workflow binding, and third an example run in the Java client. Some requirements have to be met using the workflow plugin. We need a base configuration of UDS, existing example documents, a certain ELO mask, the ELO workflow plugin is installed and configured, and a special workflow form has been created in the ELO client. Let's start the configuration on the tab Data Source, where we create a new query for the customer data. Then we create a second query for the invoice order items. The invoice number should be available in the binding to filter the result list of order items, but not be visible in the lookup dialog. We can achieve this reducing the column width to 0. Now we can go to the tab Bindings, where we create a new workflow binding. Index and map fields are available in the dialog after selecting the ELO archive and workflow form. We need the IX map fields to enter the order items. Fields can be assigned by drag and drop. The trigger field invoice number will be marked with a lamp symbol. To bind now the second data source for invoice order items, we use the function add additional data source. Here we can assign the additional filter field invoice number. Only matching order items will be shown in the UDS lookup dialog. To finish the configuration, we have to restart the ELO workflow web service so that the changes can take effect. Let's go to the ELO archive where we first start the workflow. The person in charge can now process the invoice document. All order items will be entered step by step. As you could see with UDS for ELO, it is very easy to realize a comfortable data connection to the form-based ELO workflow.